Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas. SGP1. Biju Patnaik was a born daredevil and risk taker, a symbol of courage, bravery, and adventure. This part of his nature is seen in his life both as a pilot and a politician. What the brave horse Chetak was to Rana Pratap, the Dakotas were to Biju Patnaik. How Biju got his first Dakota is itself a great story of adventure and courage. Biju by then had started the Bhubaneswar Flying Club. The Second World War was over. A lot of military planes were lying unused at the American Air Base at Panagarh near Kolkata. Many of these Dakotas were used as the transport aircrafts to carry materials to war sites. Biju wanted to buy one of them for his Bhubaneswar Flying Club. When Biju was about to fly an aircraft to Panagarh, some of his friends rushed to him, requesting him not to fly as a heavy storm was building up. But Biju, the daredevil, ignored their warning and said, "This is Biju's plane, which flies during a storm," and took off. He stayed at Panagarh, got a Dakota, repaired with great difficulty, and returned to Bhubaneswar with his first Dakota. SGP2. Many of Biju's adventures in air were in fact with his Dakotas. Only he, with his Dakota that he got from Panagarh, flew to Indonesia and brought back the Indonesian leaders when the Dutch planes were flying around to shoot his aircraft down. During the war in Kashmir with Pakistan, he also supplied necessary things to Indian soldiers with his Dakota. For his contributions to Indonesian independence, the government of Indonesia has honored him with the title of Bhumiputra, the son of the soil, and one of the Dakotas is kept in Indonesia in the memory of Biju even today. This is what Biju Patnaik himself told about one of his daredevil experiences with his Dakotas to Mr. Dheer, who did researches on Biju and his Dakotas. One day, Biju was inside the cockpit of one of his Dakotas and was about to fly off. A ground staff rushed to him and said, "Sir, something is leaking from the aircraft." Biju did not bother to get down and was still in the cockpit. He ordered the ground staff, "Get me some of the leaking thing." The ground staff brought some. Biju tested the liquid and took off. Probably Biju must have consulted his Dakota in this regard at the time, as he considered them as living beings, and his Dakota must have told him, "Nothing, let's go."